Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing Bee Simulator, so let's get right into it. Okay, so it's on Roblox. I've played this a couple of times. I think I remember that lava obstacle course I showed you guys. Yeah, if you do, that's what I'm going to be showing you guys. I'm going to be trying to complete it because all my friends have. And like I feel so bad that I haven't been able to, because it seems like it's so easy. I just can't do it. It's just simple jumps. And the fries isn't even that good. It's just a royal jelly. I'm not sure if you guys know what those are, but these things that enchant your basic bees to make them a bit better. So okay, we're gonna get back into the game. So I think I'll claim this hive. Let's see what we have. Okay, do I have any completed quests? I think a request done from the science bear. I don't know where the science bear actually is, but I think I can find him. I cannot fire the red cannon. I don't think anybody on the server can. I do the most honey, and it does take a lot of honey to get like basic bee eggs. I think we can get yesterday's goal. I think we may be able to get 50,000 honey, but I'm not sure. So we are going to be trying though. I'm going to try this in the lava obstacle course. I won't have time for that. Just gonna hop this if we can. Never actually been able to. Okay, let's try this one. Oh, my friend just joined in. Why is Lemon Curry? I talked about him yesterday. I'm just gonna tell him that I'm recording. Okay, so we're going to be just collecting some more pollen. Oh good, a spider. Great. Amazing, okay. Just a PS, why Lemon Curry is a lot better than me, and not in monies right now, but in bees. He has like 1,000,000 bees compared to me. We have like over 20 bees. Okay, that would be 3 out of 5. I hate these rhino beetles. Why are they even things? I don't think they can get me here. Yeah, whew. My new escape plan for rhino beetles. Attack! Okay, I'm just gonna tell them that I'm recording. Where the heck is White? Okay, so I don't know where he just went, but whatever. I'm just gonna keep collecting pollen. Now I'm gonna show you the lava obstacle course after I cash in this honey because I don't like losing pollen. So, like, if you can see why it's lemon crate, should I pointing it out? I'm pointing out how many bees he has, like an estimate of how many bees, because I can never count it because they're just too fast. Like, I have no clue how many bees he has. Like, I don't know. Oh, maybe I can just count it from his, like, hive. I hope his hive is in the main hives. Yeah, I'm not sure how many he has, but you guys can pause the video right now and count. So, yeah. is the lava obstacle course over here. We're gonna check that out later. But right now we're gonna check out the shop. We have this, we don't have this, have this. Ew. What? Pouch? What? What? I don't even know what it is. Let's buy this. I feel like that could have been a ripoff. Now why lemon tree is a lot richer than me, but I feel like this is kind of a ripoff. I mean, it's just a helmet. But whatever, who cares? So, we're not pretty average. But we do have the thick helmet. I think it's okay. Like, we're gonna go. Yeah, we don't have that much pollen. Let's go. Yes, look at these. No, okay, no. My spider. My spider. If I actually kill this. No way I killed these. How many of these are actually my bees? See if I actually got that. Nope. Okay, so let's just follow this guy since he's a pro. And I'm pretty much a noob at this game. I just enjoyed playing it. This guy taught me that this is actually a real game. I just didn't want to play this at first because of like the main cover of it. It just looked so weird and cheesy. But it's actually a pretty good game. You guys should try it out if you haven't already. Subscribe, punch that like button in the face. And we're gonna go to the lava fields. Guys, I am almost certain I will die in this course. I know a lot of you guys are probably saying, what the heck? This is easy. And I know it should be easy for me. But it's simply not. I'm just gonna zoom out a bit. Why can't I zoom out? This vacuum that I'm holding? Nope. I just can't zoom out. The vacuum's not gonna be. Yep. And there goes all of my pollen on my back. So, yeah. I'm not gonna be going back there. I may go to the pineapple fields. It is pretty cool. Mantises and rhino beetles do spawn there, I think. I don't know. Yeah, rhino beetles. I would say they're worse than mantises. I just want some spiders to spawn in, but there's so few of them. And they only spawn in on special occasions, so yeah. It can be hard to find one. Okay, the rhino beetles surprisingly died first. Good thing ladybugs are pretty weak in this game. They're not the most powerful things on Earth. We're just gonna run bees. Okay, good. We're gonna try to find a slingshot. That just looks like a good one. So we're just gonna head over there and skip this rhino beetle. Even though they are a bit faster than me, I think. Yeah, they have these weird jumps. I'll just go here. Okay, so I do have 8 B types. So I will be slingshotting over to the pineapple field where there should be a mantis and a rhino beetle. Okay guys, I'm sorry this video will have to be over soon. But smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.